Good evening. Where is the armband?
You know, some mother want to pay a member. Some of them armband with me.
Alright, next time I get the armband so I can identify that you're a paid member, alright? Because I don't want any trouble. Alright, over is a paid member, man. His mom is a good lady. I know his mom. But he don't have no armband. But take care of yourself, right? Everything good, man. Alright? Have a good day. Hold on, no. Get them.
Yeah, I really like the spot. It's very nice. The flora and the fauna, it's great. I think Daddy should buy it. I really do think so.
Yeah, definitely. I mean, it's a great business idea, and the river over there, you know, can bring in lots of tourists, and even the fauna, as you stated. So probably they could bring more animals. I mean, it's a green environment, so definitely more animals should be allowed here.
Like the horses, right?
Definitely, and they could even do the horse rides, you know?
Exactly, and
It
like
would
the
be
stalls.
I'm
definitely.
Kevin.
Hi, Kevin. I'm Jamila.
Hi, Jamila. Nice to meet
And
you.
this is my sister, Shade.
I mean, I would love to get to know you a little bit more, but there are certain things I would like to say to you. I don't really want everybody to hear what I'm saying.
I mean, there is no one here except my sister, and whatever you have to say, you can go ahead and say it right here.
I mean, it's not everything that I want your sister to know.
Oh man, she's cool. She's cool.
You know what? It's okay, I'll go.
I'll check with you in a minute, okay? Oh my God.
She's normally like that?
Like what? That means, what do you mean?
I mean, alright, forget about it.
That's my sister, you know, you can't be talking about her like that. So,
No, I'm not talking to her, but in a bad way. But as I said, I would love to get to know you.
I mean, you could. But clearly this is not the right time, maybe. My sister is waiting.
Probably right here, we can actually. Because Nip and work, I really want to spend much time here, so probably I could get the number or something and
Yeah.
give you mine.
Sure. Do you have a phone?
No, they don't allow me with a phone.
Oh, no.
I can just give you mine.
Sure. Let me get it from the back here. Alright, so go ahead and put it in.
Kevin.
Oh, I didn't get it. Oh, Kevin. Kevin. Alright.
Not Kevin Smith, Kevin Gordon.
Okay, Kevin. Alright, so I will be giving you a call.
Alright, no problem. I'm looking out for the call.
Alright, no problem.
So
I need to get back to my sister right now, so.
Right, and I hope I don't spoil the evening.
No, you didn't. That's okay. Alright, see you around.
You have some beautiful
Nice meeting you,
eyes.
Kevin.
Nice meeting you too, Jamila.
Yeah, Jamila. See you. Oh, my bad.
I want to
See
say
you.
you have beautiful eyes, Jamila.
Thank you. Okay, so it's ready to go? Ready to go?
What were you doing in there a while ago?
Are you for real right now?
Why would you talk to something like that?
And what is that supposed to mean?
The thing you were talking to in that thing of a uniform?
I'm sure he's a human being just like the two of us.
No, not like two of us.
But remember, sis, you can't judge a book by its cover. He's a human being just like us.
Yes, he's a human being. Allow him to do his job. Do not entertain
He
him.
was doing his job. He was just being nice. That's all. I'm sure it's nothing for you to worry about, okay?
Really?
He was just being nice. Come on.
He does not look like someone of any moral upbringing.
Here we go again. Why are you always like this?
Because he's not right for you, Jamelia. Do you think Dad would be happy? better just be a friend.
Okay, relax. Relax. He was just doing his job. There was nothing going on. Okay? Can we go now? Let's go.
Can I
You're
believe
just having
you?
Yes, you can. You can. There's nothing going on.
Did you exchange numbers? Because I know I saw your phone.
And what if we did?
You don't need to talk to him. You know what?
Let's just go. You need to forget about it. You're having a rough day. Okay? Let's go.
I really rough.
Relax.
And
Let's
there's
go.
something wrong with your head.
There's nothing wrong. Let's go.
Shadow Star. I can't believe you still out down there now.
Brother, you know you got dog, you know say it's security business, but if I left, I'll be a problem, brother. The amount of somebody get fire and something see me, but I'm going to hold it, brother, because you know nothing to go on, and it make no sense me go give us unsure for surety.
You see, I say, boy, but God know a good things on my left, brother, because from my left, my life changed, bro. I swear, brother, from my left, my life changed. Me I go me here, and everything just up and up, brother.
So
buy all a vehicle and sitting.
So what you doing now?
Boy, me tell you now, believe me.
Tell me, man.
Boy, you know say YouTube me I do, brother.
YouTube.
Yeah, man, we are chat about man YouTube, brother.
So you get paid from that?
Me say me get paid, me not do nothing else. Just YouTube alone. Just do my content, put on YouTube, and me get paid through that.
You know, right now me there think about one second income from when to, you know, dog.
Brother, and I tell us if you left your work, you know, because YouTube are not for everybody. You understand? But it pie big enough where people can make money. So I'm not going to disencourage you and say don't try. Try and see if it works for you, brother. Because right now, if me never take a leap of faith and try a thing, I'm probably stuck. You see me? So I suggest to you, say, try a thing, man. If you need no other information or if you get a channel set up or nothing, just link me, man, and me just guide you through and show you a thing. All you don't definitely need to do, you know. Because I know say you're not a cameraman, so you know nothing about camera. Just buy a decent phone, maybe on an iPhone, and just find a type of content that you like, and just create something.
So me can use my phone and video it and just post it?
Yeah, one simple thing, man. Just use a phone, video it. Probably I'll buy one of them little app, put on your phone and edit it and just post it.
You know, so when I think about it for true, I'll try that out now. Because security business now work out for me, brother. Big man thing, you know, work out. I have no time with my woman, you know. I have no time with not even my kids, them, brother. No time, all 48 hours sometime.
Brother,
and the money
remember say me know about it, you know. Remember say me did night, you know. From my left, brother, you know, I had to look at YouTube. I have time to spend with me youth, them and my woman. And just go on easy and enjoy life. I now tell you say easy still, you know. Rough sometimes, but I take care of bills, I not make millions, but I take care of bills.
Let's say happy still, because you have a married man belly, you know.
Brother, see me all, you know what years me not ride bicycle. And see me take a stroll out, you know, you see me?
Yeah, everything up, man. I'm glad to see you still there.
Alright, that's alright. Just go and hold them.
Yeah, man, I'm going for them, man. Best of them.
Alright, cool.
Mr. Garden, 1 minute, 1 minute. Sorry to bother you, but you're going to have to work double. 48 hours. And next employee calling sick, so you're really just gonna have to work the 48 hours.
Mr. Rainer come down and want to try to go home in the man.
No. I am not asking. I am telling you, you will have to do the 48 hours. I might come out very nice because that is polite for me. But you need to do it.
God know, miss, every time I come with the foolishness, no, man. I don't even want to get paid for this, you know. Eh? I don't get paid for this. Can't bother you, no, man.
I don't talk with you now. I have to go back in my office. I have to leave work at 5, okay?
You see all them sitting here? You can't leave at 5 and me can't leave now. And I might shift over. A fool don't take me for man.
Hey,
So,
too much. I'm good. What's up?
you know what? My day was bad, but after my leave work, I was thinking to myself, why do I need to continue working for these people? Work so much hard hours, and yet me still unhappy. And I no time for you, and not like that. And then light bulb, something come up, and I say, you know, then start the YouTube, and then bam, that's yourself. Buy a new iPhone, the latest one. If you do me little video them babes. What do you think?
You bought an iPhone at this time in our life? Like, how did you even afford this? We don't have that kind of money right now to just be buying iPhone. Look around. We need to be buying some furniture for the house.
Come on, babes. This week can make me positive. This week can make me make money on YouTube or something. But me just tired. Listen, babe. I am drained. Me nah get no time with you. By the time I come in from work, I just want to sleep. I have to just eat and just drop asleep.
I'm
no
not
time.
sure about that idea. That's not something that I'm comfortable with you doing. But you shouldn't have bought an iPhone.
But babes, listen, trust me, please. Just trust me. This I go work. And me I go make this work. Just trust me now. Please.
You know anybody that does that for a living and makes money as you claim?
Yeah, Kira and Toga them do it on YouTube. Them a do YouTube.
I am not sure about that. I'll have to do some research because I mean, you have a job, like you have a decent job. You're making money, so why aren't you comfortable with that?
I'm making hand to mouth. By the time I pay bills out of that, me not have nothing.
Hey, and I'm okay with that. But you can't quit your job for something that you're not even sure about.
Babes, you know how much time I day at work and I just want to come home and I say, want to carry up on a date.
Am I complaining?
No, you're not complaining. That is what I love. That is what I love. But I'm saying listen, the positive so this can't work, babes. I'm positive.
No. You don't just get up and quit your job like that. At least still keep your job for now while you test out whatever that is. But just keep your job.
Alright. Too much about that. I miss you.
I miss you too.
How was your day?
My day was good. It was really good. Yeah.
Alright. I'm gonna have a warm shower.
Yeah.
I'm just gonna
And dinner
relax.
is ready.
Thank you. This
Alright.
is what I love to say, you know. You know what? One of these days I'm gonna marry them. As soon as we make
I'm glad you said that.
as soon as we make as much money, we can get her that nice wedding dress. Come on, I'm gonna marry you.
I know you will.
You deserve it. Like, you make me happy.
Thank you. All right, go and get a shower. Alright, let me just finish up here.
Alright.
Jamelia?
Shade,
Yes, sis. How are you?
come in, man. The gate is a bit heavy, but just push it that way and come in.
To the left or to the right?
To the right.
Okay. It's to the right. Pull it to the right. You've made good progress here. I believe in you, you know, my sister. I know you did it all by yourself. Jamelia, darling.
Hey.
I like the staircase. I like it so much. It is properly
so
designed. I know it's you, you know, I'm with you.
Of course, it is. Just relax. I have something to tell you. Just relax. I'm gonna get a seat and then I'll come right back. All right?
Sit where?
Sit right there, man. Just relax. I have
On what?
something to tell you. Just relax. I'm coming.
Where's the sofa?
I'm coming.
I'm not even sure if I'm going to fall if I sit on this. I'm not even comfortable. I have nothing to rest my back. Sit down there. So, what happened to the sofa, the furniture?
You know though, it's the work in progress. Everything may not come one time, but trust me, we are working on it assiduously.
Because all the pressure is on you.
No, it's not. It's not a matter of the pressure being on you or anything like that. I just need you to understand that we're starting out things one day at a time.
We who? You on that thing?
Yeah, Kevin and I, we're just taking it one day at a time. We'll get other furniture here. Even the AC, I want to have it installed as well.
Yeah, because I'm really hot. I shouldn't be coming to your house in this heat.
I think you complain too much, you know. Just relax. We'll have it started. Alright?
You know what?
You're always this miserable, you know. From childhood days.
I'm not, but
Just relax.
it's what we're used to.
I know, but at the end of the day, things don't always come as easy.
You need
as
to
we
leave
like
that.
it.
What I'm telling you is that you need to leave that thing. Because he's not a man.
You cannot say that about him.
And you need to hurry and get married.
That's something that we'll have to talk about another day. There is no rush.
Okay, so what was the urgent thing you needed to tell me?
I don't even know where to start from.
Eh? Start from somewhere. Let me get comfortable.
You're so funny, you know that.
I am.
But you know, Kevin was actually telling me about an idea that he has. I want to run it by you first before I go to Daddy. So,
That boy had serious business plans.
Correct.
He won the jackpot.
Jackpot really says, come on, let's think logically here. So his idea is quitting his job and starting YouTube. Do you think that would be profitable?
You must be crazy. Am I hearing right?
No, it's not a crazy idea. Come on, think about it.
What is he going to do?
YouTube.
He's going to quit his job to do YouTube.
Why would you want to disagree? Is there a reason?
Of course, there's every reason to disagree. This man has done nothing stable with his life.
You can't say that about him. Come on.
He's been a security for 10 years.
He's
and nothing
working.
better.
He's working.
A security job, standing at someone's door watching their property.
At least he's trying. He's a very ambitious young man, and that is what I love about him.
This is why I can't have a man, you know. I have to wait on Daddy to find me a proper man.
You see, that is the thing with you now. You cannot always think about life that way. There is more than one way to achieve things.
Do I look at me? Take a good look at me. Take a good look at me. Do I look as miserable as you?
And who said I was miserable?
Your life is very sad, my
I
darling.
am not miserable. I am living my best life. It's just a matter of time before everything takes off.
If you weren't miserable, you wouldn't find it necessary to ask my opinion on the fact that your thing of a man, of a boy, is willing to quit his job. That is the trait of a lazy. Oh my
No,
gosh.
I'm not going to allow you to disrespect my future husband like that, you know.
Hey, future husband.
He is.
Future husband.
You're just not able to see it. I'm not sure why.
I don't need to see it.
And the only reason I run this by you before I went to Dad is because sometimes it's better to have a second pair of eyes on a situation. So don't get it twisted. I just wanted to hear your opinion. It's not like I'm going to accept whatever you say.
Oh, so you want my opinion?
I just need your honest opinion.
My honest opinion?
Your honest opinion.
Are you sure you can handle it?
I can handle it.
Your man is worthless.
No. I am not going to accept you talking about my husband like that.
Well, next time, don't ask my opinion.
I can ask you anything, dear. It's just that you do not have the right to talk about him like that. That is very disrespectful, and I would have never spoken to you about anybody you choose. As a matter of fact, that is why you're still a virgin. You're very hard to please, dear.
And I'm happy for that. I'm happy that I'm very hard to please. Daddy will find the perfect husband for me.
That's not always the case, dear.
If daddy can't find me a husband, I'll stay single and I'll stay a virgin.
And
All
you
I
think
want.
that's a good thing?
Toys are sold, you know. And I can go and buy a baby.
I am not even going to go down that road with you today about toys. Come on, you need somebody in your life. What about when you get old?
See, I can even see. You're not even pregnant. Your man has lost his
Oh my, no. That
Your
is
man
that,
is
no.
impotent.
We are not going down there. Calling him unemployed or whatever and he doesn't have a good job is one thing. But you cannot disrespect his manhood like that.
Well, daddy needs a grandchild, and clearly I'm not going to give him as yet because he hasn't found me a husband.
Well, you can continue to wait, but as for me, I am creating the life that I want, and this is the way that I am going to do it. So, you will not dictate how I live my life. All I need is your opinion, and that's it. You cannot say, okay, Jamelia, this is what you are going to do. I'm not going to do that.
You know what daddy needs to hear about this? I'm tired.
No. That's not your call to make, sis. I will take that on my timing. Okay? As a matter of fact, I think it's time you leave. Just go. I can't deal with this right now.
It's okay because this, look at this.
Galang.
Me I go. Dad.
Hey,
How are
daughter. I'm good. How are you?
I'm not too good. I'm not too happy at the moment.
Oh,
I'm trying to be.
I've never seen you so animated. What's going on?
I'm furious.
Talk to my daughter.
Jamelia has gone out of her mind. I don't even know where to start.
All right, just
But
start.
I'll just start from somewhere. Because all this is hard to process. She asked me to pay her a visit. So I said, okay, you know what? It's my sister. Maybe she needs help with something. Or when I sat, the house, it was okay. The building and so on. But inside, she has no furniture, no couch, nothing to accommodate a visitor. I sat on a thing called a stool, a plastic stool, Dad. No couch for me to relax and be happy. Anyway, she gave me the story about her boyfriend, that thing. This is the security one. He's saying he's going to quit his job. Can you imagine, Daddy? Quit his job. He's not making anything. He's been a security guard for 10 years and nothing to show. If it wasn't for my sister, he wouldn't live in a house. He would be living in a shack or in the wilderness, for all I care. Now, she's saying he came to her and he said he's going to quit his job and start a YouTube channel. Now then, what's a YouTube channel anyway?
Can anyone make money on YouTube?
I don't think so, and this is Jamaica. Who does that?
All right.
Daddy needs to go and speak some sense into her. Because
All
this
right.
is going to get real ugly real soon.
Shadi, what is wrong with your sister? Why can't she be like you?
Exactly.
What is her problem? She continues to do all these irrational things that don't make any sense. Why can't she be like you? Where did we go wrong with her?
I think she's too much like Mom.
Oh, don't bring that up to me, please. Don't bring that up. Don't bring those memories. Don't need to hear those memories. Don't bring those memories. But something is wrong with that girl. And right now, I'm not very happy about this. Not very happy.
You really need to speak to her.
Well, I think it's time to do just that. I'm going to take you home, and then I'm going to go visit her. Okay? And you continue to do what you're doing.
Dad, I'm waiting on you to find me the perfect husband.
Guess what? I may just have that one for you.
I know you do, Daddy. I love you so much.
Love you too, dog. Jamila? Yeah, this is your dad. I'm downstairs. Okay, you're coming down to meet me? Or should I just come upstairs? Okay, I'm coming up. Long time.
Hey, Dad, it's been a while. How you
It's
doing?
a long time. You're looking good though.
Thank you. Next, Dad, can I have a seat, baby?
Okay, thank you, daughter. Thank you.
So, why are you here? What's up? This unexpected visit.
You know, I don't normally come to visit you, but I'm not very pleased from what I'm learning, what I've heard.
What happened?
Well, first I walk in here and I see an empty house.
I mean,
A stove. You don't even have a place for me to sit.
that I'm working things out one step at a time.
Okay, so what's going on with you and your boyfriend situation? From what I'm hearing, I'm not very pleased about that.
That it's not like we're not trying to make things work. We are working on it. I mean, I'm working, he's working. So eventually you will be comfortable when you come here. So it's
What?
just a matter of time.
What are you really working at? 'Cause what does he do for a living?
He's actually a security guard.
And clearly that is not working for you, for him. But look, this is where you're living.
That it's
These
not,
are the conditions.
that it's not working. It's just gonna take a little bit longer than usual. That's it.
Look at where you're coming from. Look at how you live at home. Look at how your sister is living.
Why do you guys keep saying that? Look at where I'm coming from. Like, he is trying. He is the person that I choose. Why can't you guys just accept that?
Because he's not good for you. That's why I cannot accept it. Because I expect more from him.
But that's not up to you to decide.
Well, I beg to differ with you. And what's this about him quitting his job and becoming a YouTuber?
Really? Shadi had to tell you that? I wanted to tell you for myself, Dad.
Well, clearly you didn't want to. If you did, you would have told me.
I was just waiting for the perfect time.
The perfect time? Look how you're looking. What could be perfect about this?
That I was just waiting until we did a few more stuff with the house. I mean, it's not much to look at now, but eventually. His whole idea of doing YouTube, I mean, it may not look promising now, but the least we can do is to support him and allow him to try.
You admit that what you're doing with this boyfriend of yours and his job seeking thing is not very promising.
Well, yes, I admit that, but that's just the truth of it right now.
Well, you know, I don't like your truth or his truth, but I tell you, what about marriage? Have you considered getting married? As much as I don't want you to get married to him, but you're at that stage of your life now. That's something you should be thinking about.
Dad, we're not rushing anything. We just want to make the right decisions at the right time. There is no need for us to rush into something that we're not ready for.
Will you stop saying we when it applies to him?
We are in this together, Dad. I really love him. We are a team, Dad.
Why can't you be like your sister?
Why can't you be like Shadi?
I do not want to be compared to Shadi.
Well, I have to compare you with Shadi. You know why? Because it will benefit you if you act more like her. If you do more of the things she's doing, because it's working for her.
What exactly is working for Shadi? That she's still a virgin, she hasn't married, she hasn't found anybody, and I'm here trying to start my life, and that's not enough for you?
No, it's not, because she's waiting for the right person. One that will be able to take care of her. And you run out there and look what you end up with.
Dad, you know what? I am not going to allow you and Shadi to choose for me or decide what I do and what I don't do. That's enough. I think I've had enough of this.
You have enough of.
Yes, Dad.
You know what you're doing to yourself right now? Everything that I had set aside for you, you're putting that at risk. I should be upset, and not you.
Why?
Because, look at what you're doing to our family. Look who you brought into our family.
Trying to create a name for myself is jeopardizing the family. I am here working hard. I am a teacher. So what if he's a security? We are trying to create something from ground up.
He cannot give you what you need. He cannot
Dad,
give you the lifestyle that you deserve.
I've made my decision and that is final. I
Alright.
don't care what you and Shadi has to say about me or about my loving future husband. That's up to you guys.
Well, guess what? I'm making my decision right now that whatever you had coming to you will no longer be the case unless you change your course of action and change your decision about this YouTuber.
What exactly do you mean by that, Dad?
Well, I've been working and I've built a good life and I accumulated a lots of money and assets, other assets.
I know.
That's what I mean by inheritance. All those things that had you made the right decision and choose a good man for yourself, guess who's gonna have it all on? Your sister.
That's not fair. That's really not fair. I'm just trying to do the right thing here.
You're doing the wrong thing. You're run down the family. You're bringing the family down. That's not who we are.
That's so not fair.
All right. So this is what's gonna happen. All right. I'm done. Whenever you come to your senses, all right, then we may have a discussion about this. May. All right. For now, that's it. Final.
My decision is final as well, Dad.
All right. This is it. I'm done. This is the final word. If you come to your senses, and if I feel like it, I may reconsider. But for now, I'm done. And make sure you understand that. Okay?
Okay.
Babes. Gotcha. That's sure. Get my first 25 views.
25 views.
Yeah.
I mean, that's not a lot.
Maybe that's 25 person. Literally.
I don't want to sound like I am discouraging you or I am being a pessimist, but that's really nothing.
Babes, you're not even say congratulations or not. You really, you know.
How can I say congratulations at this point? It's not even 1,000. You're just at what?
Me have like 15 subscribers and then if I post one next video, me probably get one next 15 more subscribers.
That's nothing for you to quit your job about.
Babe, I haven't quit my job yet, but listen, this is 25 views. Me feel why you can't be happy for me. Like,
Look, I don't think you should be focusing on YouTube right now. Just continue the good work that you're doing in your security job, and I think it will pay off eventually. Not YouTube.
you consider the security job as a good work?
It is. Aren't you getting paid? Aren't we comfortable?
Babe, that the money that them pay me. Can't, you know, make it, I do all 48 hours and I not get paid for 48 hours. I have to make a sacrifice in that.
Just remain humble and work hard. YouTube is not a get-rich thing. Just work hard in your security job. Life goes on.
Listen to me. I'm not trying to get rich. Me just want to be comfortable. Me don't want the work for people. Me can't manage to take this.
You know you're very stubborn. You're very stubborn.
If I stubborn you call it, then I saw. But listen to me. Me nah go continue to work for people and I try to disrespect me all the time.
Well, all I have to tell you, you just have to endure that disrespect because you want good at the end of the day, right? YouTube isn't a thing, I keep telling you.
Why me even come to you with this? No, say better me just watch me video them grow by itself and just do it by myself other than fear traffic. Listen, I don't wanna be like your daddy. And me no want to be that guy where your father come take care of me. Me no want a man mind me.
You know I always support you, so you don't need to be saying that. And what is wrong if you want to be like daddy? He's a very successful man. As a matter of fact, I think he could be a role model.
You know, we not want to finish this conversation.
Well, we need to finish it.
I got this. Everything right.
You just don't quit your job, that's all I'm saying.
Mr. Garden, what are you doing? You can't be smoking on the job.
Mama, I'm here, man. I'm here. From man, they're upon me case, no man. Ease up off from man. Ease up off from
Officer
man.
Thompson, I'm your superior. Behave yourself now.
Yeah, I'm superior, but I'm there for my break.
When you're on a break, you're out of your uniform. Turn it down with me now, young man.
Yo, lady, mind how you can talk to me, you know. Mind how you can rank yourself, you know. That me I tell you, man. Come on for my case, man. Every day, man, come and say, come and say. Yo, man, there for my break. Man, there for my break.
Are you adjusting me? How did you even get this job? How did you even get this job behaving like this?
Same way how you get it, the same way me get it. That me I tell you. Ease up off from me, man.
You don't deserve to be here. If you don't want this job, you can kindly walk, even run.
Oh, I'm tell you, lady, you come. Yo, ease up off from me, man. That me I tell you.
No, less talking and more action, young man. Because you seem to have some problem, but I am not one of them.
Who a problem? Are you a problem? Every day you come go and come take out a man stress them for me, my girl.
I am doing my work.
Listen to me, but I feel like I can't come take out a man stress them for me, you know. And that me I tell you, you know. Nobody can rank yourself, and mind how you can talk to me too. I'm to you. Every day you come out with a little man stress them. And I can go and like say, oh, may I pick me? May I know you pick me, mama? No, you
I could never be your mother. Just know what I'm saying to you. I could never, ever be someone like you, mother. You must know to conduct yourself to keep a work.
You know,
discipline is everything.
You know what? You can take this work and shove it. You know what? I'm going to take off in this.
With all pleasure, young man.
That me I tell you.
This is not hurting me. With all pleasure now. Thank you.
Babes, I didn't know. Because, listen, I can't believe it. From I go to work this morning, the supervisor boy, I come go and he say, I come disrespect me, like he want to come take disadvantage of me. The man from I go to work, the man dey on my case.
So
some people did me and try to assist them. The man I come and suppose them and say, yo, I can't be talking to the guests like this and I can't be doing this.
No. So if I'm hearing this right, you got upset on the job. So what happened? What did you do?
Babes, I said, after me did it,
One from morning, I'm actually, so till one point, this since evening, I sit down, I take a rest, and I drink one juice. The man now come tell me, say, I can't sit down on the job. Like, and I chat to me, like, and pick me, I raise his voice, So I would take off a shirt and left that and tell him, say, oh, listen to me. I don't know, boy, nobody can feel like you can talk to me, sir. Me almost tell him about his mother.
No, you cannot get upset like that. What are you going to do now?
I know anything, me, I go focus on me YouTube now. That's
You
all.
and this YouTube thing. YouTube paying anybody? How can you talk about YouTube at a time like this? We need money, we don't need some dream that you have right now.
Yep, this now too? This now?
I don't need to hear it. You have to
Babes.
quit your job.
Babes, listen to me. Me quit the job because me can't take disrespect and me I go focus on YouTube. No. What is the problem? What wrong with that?
Babe, you have to kiss ass before you can kick ass.
Me have to do what? You must be mad. Me can't listen to me man about tell me kiss what? You mad?
With me to make sacrifices. How can you just walk off the job like that and you don't even have a solid plan? You think YouTube is a plan?
Babe,
Is YouTube even a
listen.
thing at this point?
Listen. I am not a father's child. Therefore, me not treat me know why you treat me like your father treat you. And your sister them treat you. Me tell us I want to do this, why you can't believe in me and trust what me I say? Why you can't trust me?
What do you mean, this YouTube thing? I told you to keep your job while you try out this YouTube nonsense. And now you drop the gun, you quit your job, and you're not even sure this YouTube thing is going to work out. You know what? I think Daddy and Shade was right, you know. Look at it now. I think I'm going to pack my things and I'm going to leave. I'm not going to put up with you anymore.
Babes, what are you doing? What is it? Listen. Jamila, listen, please. Just trust me now.
I am giving up too much for just an idea that you have. It's just an idea. How am I even sure that this thing is going to work out? I am going to leave. That is final.
Jamila, listen. I don't want you to leave, honestly. Would you just trust me? It's not you alone making sacrifices, you know? I am doing this for us.
I am making more sacrifice. Imagine I have to miss out on all my inheritance.
Inheritance? That's really what you want? Listen, what I'm doing here can make us an empire. You don't even have to depend on what your father is giving you, Jamila.
I cannot do this with you anymore. The mere fact that it's nothing solid, it's nothing concrete, I cannot look and say, okay, it is profitable. I cannot do it anymore. It just does not make any sense.
Jamila, listen. God made the earth in 6 days and rest for one. I mean, I start from here, so I start from scratch, Jamila. Just trust the process.
How long have we been together?
How much years?
How long have you been trying?
I try from a band, Jamila.
So don't you think it's time for some change?
You don't think I want change? You don't think I want change?
I have been waiting forever and I am finished waiting at this point. You can't blame me. I want better for myself. So I am going to leave. You know what? I'm going to take this small bag and I'll come back for the rest of my stuff.
You know what, Jamila? Listen.
Just save it. Save it.
I'm not forced you to stay. I'm not forced you to leave. But listen, just know so when you walk out of this door, you walk out on everything.
Just save it. Save it. Get your act together. Then whatever may happen. Excuse me.
welcome to my channel, guys. Welcome, this is another banger, and me there, guys. Thank you for all our subscribers and thank you for everybody who subscribes. I'm so speechless right now. Like, this is a uno, cause this, you know, this after me a uno. My girlfriend left me and gone, and now I'm me alone there, and see me a uno. So all of this, guys, me thank everybody who subscribe, like and share my content. Just continue to subscribe.
There was once a day that I would pray for you. I'd go and misbehave just so you notice too. Sneaking looks up and down from across the room. Damn, what a hell of a view. I feel good, you look great. I like you, I can't wait. A first time, a first date. You're so fine, I'm so late. You sip wine, I drink straight. Don't waste time to my place. I feel my heart erase. So catch me if I fall. I'm falling fast, sitting here praying that this night's gonna last. You got it all on tap, I'm loving your vibe, always have your back. We like all the same tracks, listen all night in the sheets all black. Said I'm falling fast, don't remember life before you, that's fact. I feel good, you look great, I like you, I can't wait. A first time, a first date. You're so fine, I'm so late. You sip wine, I drink straight. Don't waste time to my place. I feel my heart erase. So catch me if I fall.
Hello.
So, what have you been up to?
I mean, I'm here.
What's up?
Oh, you never see it. Forgot to say now watch my channel.
Your channel, how did that turn out?
How did that turn out? See what they say? 100,000 subscribers. No. I don't think you should touch it.
I mean, I just want to see it.
You see? I don't think you need to touch it. Because
I mean, I know that you could always do it, you know?
Jamila, don't come to me with the nonsense.
What do you mean?
Jamila,
I support, you don't remember?
Jamila, you, your father, and your dirty sister were having
No,
brothers.
no, babe. I don't think you need to bring my sister and my dad in this again.
You
But remember
leave
that
me.
I was the one who encouraged you. You just took so long to achieve all of this.
Jamila,
and now that
stop.
remember, I was there, you know?
Jamila, can you listen to me? Stop. Don't come to me with this right now. Here? You never happy to see me I do YouTube.
I was happy for you.
You was happy for me.
I was really happy for you. I just think you misinterpret everything.
So the part where you tell me if you don't do YouTube, we must stay, make sure someone
I did not say you should do YouTube. I said that you should not quit your job.
So what about the part when you leave me at the when me needed the most?
Kevin, I think the pressure was just too much. I didn't have a choice, but I don't know.
I don't date kids, so you shouldn't be allowing your parents or your sister.
I'm not a kid.
Then why is it that you make them a treat you like that?
I made a mistake, okay? But I don't think I should be paying for it like this.
Oh, else I expect to pay for it?
You're being so unreasonable right now.
Jamila, all I wanted was to have a sensible personal income coming in when I not work for nobody. and you leave me all because your daddy and your sister say Ray, they don't like me because of the type of work I do. Classism.
But remember that my inheritance was on the line, so I didn't have a choice. It was an honest mistake and I am sorry.
So you rather inherit something than actually build something?
No, you're not looking at it at a logical way. Come on, think about
honestly, me just come here if we come celebrate by myself today. So we can only be friends. You see?
Friends.
You leave me over here now, you leave me, you know.
I don't know. This is just so unbelievable.
Makes sense, doesn't it?
So
the family will never accept me. And me not see where it fits for me and you I go have this conversation again.
So that's how it's gonna be, really? We couldn't possibly give this another try?
So if you leave me, then what are you gonna do now?
You know what? This is so embarrassing. But I'm really happy for you though.
Yeah, thank you. And just tell them to subscribe and share.
I'm really sorry.
Subscribe to my channel and share it. And like it and comment. Please enjoy the rest of the day, alright?
Can't believe I'm doing this, you know.
Let me just have my moment, please. With my plaque. Can I have a moment with my plaque, please? Please? Yes, let it shine on me.
You know what? I think it's best to go for real because...
yeah.
But I'm really happy for you. I'm genuinely happy for you.
No, you're not.
I am.
No, you're not.
I am.
Go on.
You know what? Have a great life. I'll see you around.
You'll see me on YouTube. Subscribe, like, and share. Yeah?
You know what? Have a great life. I'll see you around.
You'll see me on YouTube. Subscribe, like, and share. Yeah? Yo lady, mind how you can talk to me, you know. Mind how you can rank yourself, you know. That me I tell you, man. Come on for my case, man. Every day, man, come and say, come and say. Yo, man, the palm break. The palm break.
Are you adjusting me? How did you even get this job? How did you even get this job behaving like this?
Same way how you get it, the same way me get it. That me I tell you. Ease up off of me, man.
I don't deserve to be here. If you don't want this job, I can kindly walk, even run.
You think me a boy? You think me a picnic? Yeah?
Okay. Okay. Slap me.
Slap me. Hey, what is that? What is that? What is that type of problem? Careful with the camera. Hey, because like an old man number just rock fart. Like he know how fart look. He know how fart.
Like I can.
What's the fart is cute and handsome.
Mr. Garden, what are you doing? You can't be smoking now.
Yo, what's your name? Give me a name now, innit?
No, just call him one name. Any name. Any supervisor. You have to call him. Let's go and call him.
Ready? Mr. Garden, what are you doing?
Yo, lady.
I'm a tequila, don't lady me. Officer Thompson. You know.
Yo, lady, one thing, I come and
Mr. Garden, what are you doing? You can't be smoking on the job.
Mama, I'm here, man. I'm here. From man, you're upon me case, no one. Ease up off of me, man. Ease up off of me.
Officer Thompson, I'm your superior. Behave yourself now.
Yeah, I'm superior about me on my brain.
When you're on your break, you're out of your uniform. Turn it down with me now, young man.
Listen to the lady. Don't let me get brindley here. Don't let me get brindley. You see, I know it's big like down a sweet pepper lady. Hold on.
I want your lady to come on. Yo, ease up off from one. That me I tell you.
No, let's talk in a more action, young man. Because you seem to have some problem, but I am not one of them.
Who have problem? Are you a problem? Every day you come go and come take out the man stress them for me, my girl.
I am doing my work.
You know, let me left it. Let me give you work. Since I fear work, Take it. Let me give you work. Take it.
No, sir.
I gotta jump up and clip off my mind, dog.
I say I'll be ramping.
Where is it?
You the panic.
Oh, Peter.
Make it iron drip in the eye.
Never expect that. I came around and said.
I two box you want in the head.
So I want my onion.
So you see, you know what? I don't want the embarrassment out the same body scene. I'm coming in the office and give back the uniform. Yeah, that's you know what? I don't want the embarrassment out the same. So you know what? I'm coming in the office and give you back.
Listen to me, nobody come feel like you want to come and take out your man stress them for me at daytime, you know. And that me I tell you, you know. You know what, it's because you know I mash up this place and get in no more trouble. We just go in the office and I'll give you a uniform.
With all your respect, thank you very much.
Listen to me.
Thank you.
Listen to me, nobody feel like you can come take out your man stress them for me, you know. And that me I tell you, you know. Nobody come rank yourself, and mine how you can talk to me so. I'm here. Every day you come out with a little man stress them. And I can go and say, oh, may I pick me. May I pick me, mama. No,
I could never be your mother. You just know what I'm saying to you. I could never, ever be someone like you, mother. You must know to conduct yourself to keep a work.
You know,
Discipline is everything.
You know, you can take this work and shove it. You know, I'm going to be a take off it.
With all pleasure, young man. This is not hurting me. With all pleasure now. Thank you.
I will listen. Take off your mind now. Every day the shirt, make you take off your and dash your shirt.
Big belly girl.
Listen to me. Every day you come and say I want to come take out your stress for me, man. Ready? Yeah. Hold on. Ready? Listen to me. Nobody come feel like you want to come and take out your man stress them for me at daytime, you know. And that me I tell you, you know. You know what, it's because you know I mash up this place and get in no more trouble. We just go in the office and I'll give you a uniform.
With all your respect, thank you very much.
Listen to me.
Thank you.
Okay.